ALEC PEIRCE at the ranch. How you doing, guys? Here I am at my workbench in the garage, and first of all, let me apologize. It's a mess. And I heard something funny a little while ago. You always tell a boomer, because a boomer, when they get a cardboard box, say from Amazon or somewhere, you get something shipped to the house, you open the box, take out the contents, then they have the box left over. You can tell it's a boomer because the boomer looks at the box and says, I should save that. I'll probably need it sometime. Certainly here in Canada, half the stuff that we use, about half, is metric, and the other half is SAE, which you would call Imperial or standard, I suppose. And so I got a whole mixture. You can see some of the pictures, nuts and bolts and screws and all kinds of stuff. And I got to sort it out and put it into my bins so it's available next time I need it. So, gosh darn it, what is that? No, let's see. That's it. So it's 1/2 13. This is 1/2 inch, 13 threads per inch. On the other hand, this wasn't perfect. It's on a cable, and you got to fumble through it a little bit. Just wasn't entirely perfect. But very little while ago, guess what I found? Now, maybe some of you guys, you machinists, you're saying, hey, they've been around forever, Alec. Okay. Congratulations. I didn't know about it, but eventually I saw one of these, and that's great. They're still not too terribly expensive for what they give you, but there's a thread checker. See? Thread checker. Metric. Standard, what they call standard on here. And the standard goes from number 6 right up to 3/4. So now you take your half 32, and it looks like no, it's not 7. Oh, no, it's not 5. It must be half 30, half 13. There it is right there, half 13. So that's 1/2 inch course. Thread it in there. Perfect. Got them all hanging right there. You can hang this on the wall. I actually keep it on the wall, but it's so handy. You can have it. You can sit down. You can lay it on the bench. Male and female threads. It's just fantastic. For any of you guys that are like me and you play an awful lot with machinery, and you end up with lots of nuts and bolts and screws, you need to check them, see what they are, if they're compatible maybe, or what they are, so you can file them away in your proper boxes. This is just fantastic. Just a great thing. I love it. If you do a lot of work with nuts, bolts, and screws, particularly if you're into standard and metric, because that can be a real nuisance, then this will certainly make your life a lot easier. That's it. Take care. ALEC PEIRCE at the ranch.